So what if there was a dream device, a dream gadget for every single car out there that provided wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, also gave you an ultra wide display screen right on your dashboard, and not just that, gave you a 4K front camera and gave you a reverse camera assist along with a split screen view showing you both front and the rear cameras on the display, or you could switch between the dash cam display and the wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Seems too good to be true or seems very dreamy? Well, it's not. Carlism has introduced a new gadget in their lineup. So if you are interested in checking out this product or even purchasing this product after you watch this video, the purchase link is given right down below in the description. Go ahead, check out all of its features, all of its details, and if you're impressed with it, go ahead and get it right now. It's simply worth it. That being said, let's move on and take a look at a quick unboxing and a quick overview of this new wireless display device from Carlism and see how it turns out. Let's get started. So this is the new product which I just received from Carlism, their latest model featuring a 11.26-inch super wide display for practically all cars. Let's quickly open up the box and show you the contents inside. So here's the super awesome widescreen display, 11.26-inch display screen, and the specialty of the screen is that this gets a 4K camera right at the back, and it is adjustable, which means you can adjust the angle of this particular 4K camera. You get these slots right here so that you can mount this display on your dashboard, and on the other side you get a Type-C port, you get an aux port, you get a memory card slot and a rear camera slot. So much tech bundled together within this super smart widescreen display. So the specialty of this display is that, as I said, this is 11.26-inch HD 720p resolution IPS display featuring in-cell technology, which means this has a touch sensor layer which is basically integrated within the LCD layer. They are not different, so this means you get much more thinner and much more clear display. So I'll be taking a look at this and I'll be installing this in my car, but let's just check out what else is given along with this display in the box. So Carlism also provides a large mount so that you can mount it on the dashboard, but it can happen that your dashboard might not be perfectly flat as in the stand is shaped right here. So what to do in case of that? Here's where Carlism has really done a thoughtful thing. They have provided an alternate way of mounting this display just in case the flat based mount does not work in your car. You get a suction mount along with the retractable arm, which means even if your dashboard is curved, even if it's not flat, you can use this suction mount instead of a flat based mount. So both mounts are provided within the box. So this is a very thoughtful feature and a very useful feature for the people who are purchasing this particular unit. Along with the mount, you also get a detailed technical guide of this particular product. You get all the technical specifications and how you can use Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, how you can enable the dash camera, how you can activate the radio, the split screen setup. I mean, basically, you need to go through this particular user manual to understand the technical specifications and the workings of this particular unit. But probably you won't need to, because you will be getting to see all the detailed review of this product right here on Gizmo Beep. So here's the 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack. So this is basically an aux connector, which means if your car has an audio system which supports aux port, you can plug in one port on this display and the other end into your car system for audio out. So here's the main power cable, which gets a pre-attached 12-volt car charger. So this car charger is rated for input 8 to 30 volts and the output is 5 volts 3 amps. On the other end, you get a L-shaped Type-C connector which basically plugs in at the back of the display. And here is the rear camera setup. Basically, this is a more premium looking rear camera than the one which I had seen previously from Carlism. This gets a foldable mount right here, which means you can mount it either via screw or via the gum tape. You also get a Type A to Type B connector, and on the other end you get a rear camera connector which plugs in into the main display. And the red wire which you're seeing right here is the reverse backup signal cable. This wire has to be connected to the rear tail light, or should I say the rear reverse light of your car, to activate the camera when you engage the reverse gear. Lastly, in the box you get a sticker pad for the dashboard mount. So here is the dashboard mount and the sticker goes in right here on top. In case if you do have a very flat dashboard, you can use this sticker and just place it on this mount and stick the mount on your dashboard. So you get this as well. But I personally prefer using this suction mount because it is easily removable and can even change the position of the display just in case if you don't find it to be convenient. And the fact that this gets a retractable arm is a cherry on top, so it will be helpful in aligning the display according to the requirements within my car. So I'll be doing a full review of this product pretty soon. I mean, there's a lot to uncover and it's going to probably take some time, but of course be assured that the entire review of this product, showing you the wireless Android Auto capabilities, the wireless Apple CarPlay capabilities, and all the details regarding the inbuilt camera, the display quality, and all that stuff will be covered in the upcoming video. So make sure you do not miss that important video by hitting that subscribe button of my channel right now. Smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking forward to get this kind of a device in their car. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.